Okay, everybody, taking a look here. This is Algebra 2, and we are in the Topic 1 topic review, getting ready for the exam here. And we're up to problem 13. Let's see, maybe we should, I did this problem once and did an arithmetic error. Let's just try one more problem, absolute value of 4x plus 1. Absolute value of 4x plus 1. And let's see if I can do this one a little better this time. Well, let's first of all talk about this point down here at the bottom, the vertex, if you will. What would the x value be down there? So if we were talking about right down here, what do you know about that point? It looks that the y is 0, isn't it? Because it's on the x-axis. So when does the absolute value of 4x plus 1 equals 0? And the only time that happens is if the 4x plus 1 itself is 0. So subtract the 1 and divide by the 4. And we know it's the left side and the right side is separated by the negative 1/4. So let's go back and fill that much in. That's what I messed up on last time. I was doing too much in my head and then got that mixed up. So we've got negative 1/4 and negative 1/4, because that's where the graph changes. Whoops, what just happened there? Negative 1/4. All right, I think I got that. I can't read through all that, but now what we have to do is the left side over here is supposed to be the equation of each side of that line. So let's go back over to Desmos and talk about what is the difference here. So this one, the y-intercept is 1, and then what about like how steep? What is the slope of the line? So if you go over 1, go up 4. So this line right here has a slope of 4 and a y-intercept of 1. Well, if you kept going down here, where would your y-intercept be? And does it hopefully make sense? Even the symmetry would just make it so it would go through here at negative 1. So the equation of this graph over here, if you went left, let's see a point where it goes right through an intersection of a grid line. If I went left 1, I go up 4. And that's a negative slope. It's going down from the left to the right. So on this side, it'd be a negative 4 for the slope and a y-intercept of negative 1. So let's go over and put those into 7s. I'm going to clear. Let's see, let me just erase this stuff over here that's in my way. That'll be enough. All right, so this is on the left side. Remember we said the slope on the left side was negative 4, and then it was going to go through negative 1 on the y-axis for a y-intercept. And the right side, it was positive 4, and it went through a positive 1 for the y-intercept. Okay, I think that's what it was. Let's check it, and if we need to, we'll go back and look at the Desmos graph to fix it. All right, it says something's not quite right. Let's go back here. Negative 4x minus 1, and I have positive 4x plus 1. Positive 4x plus negative 4x minus 1. And they're both, oh, I got 2 negatives here. That got all goobered up. Let's try that. There we go. Just got to get it, all the finicky typing done right in there for Sabbath. So it can be a little tricky, just with all those parts, lots to keep track of, lots of places you can make a mistake, but hopefully you get the big idea there, and good luck.